Well, good morning, everybody. And today is really a very grand and gala day because today is the 158th birth anniversary of such a personality who has been ideal of millions of youth, and he is Swami Vivekananda. As we all know that he was born on 12th January 1863. Yes, and friends, while we take the name of Swami Vivekananda, then we cannot forget one of the famous quotation given by him, and it was, "Arise, awake, and don't sleep till your goal is achieved." That is the fantastic and fabulous quotation that has changed millions of the youth, a lot of the personalities, and today a lot of the personalities in India and outside of India also. And they have really maintained this quotation. And I just request you all the guys from Rathor's classes that you all have to maintain it. Once again, friends, myself Abhay Rathor, today celebrating birthday of Swami Vivekananda. It is the 158th birthday. And I just want to tell you all the guys that you have not to remember the facts. You have not to just study the points. You have to just realize. You have to practicalize the things. And I don't like to say much more about where he was born and what his study and because these all sentences are very less before his personality. And friends, one incident I can remember, that is the incident of Chicago in America, and the year was 1893, and he had given such a tremendous speech. Okay, there that entire world got attracted with that personality, and it was a religion summit, and a lot of the people from different corner of the world had gathered there, and they started speaking, and he got a chance, he got an opportunity. I just want to tell you here, he got a chance, but that chance actually converted into opportunity. In the same way, you are getting a chance to study, to get education, and to do a lot of works, but this chance or these chances have to be converted into responsibility and opportunity. So friends, being your teacher, I just want to tell you all the friends that always be confident and believe in yourself. And today is the birthday of such personality. So we have not to speak more about him, just we have to learn more from him, that what actually he was and why he became so famous. He was such a pious, such a sacred personality, and he always focused for the power of youths. He always told that youth is the best power. And as you all are very, very young personalities, and you all are preparing for different sort of competitions, so it should be your own goal that how to get it cast. Only preparation is not a matter. You have to get your result. And friends, if you study properly and even you don't get your job or result, it does not matter. You will be a perfect personality. So being a perfect personality, that is the achievement. And as you all know that this Rathor's classes has been working since a long time, and a lot of the students have got a lot of achievements. And as very shortly, just we had started our school, that is Rathor's International School, and this is my motto, that the student who will join this school, that the student has to be self-dependent, that the student has to be a perfect person. Only marks does not matter. I think classes does not matter. The matter is that what type of person we are becoming. So it is my motto, it is the motto to open this school, that is Rathor's International School. And friends, now come to the point, because if I tell about our walks, that what is the duty of the youths, what are the responsibilities of the youths. So just today youths are getting diverted. Youths don't take responsibilities. Youths just want to give suggestions. Suggestion only. There is nowhere where you get any solution. So you have to work for solution, not for suggestion. Because if you are working for solution, that is gonna be the perfect thing that can make our society better and brighter. So without solution, nothing is said to be mature enough. And as you all are sitting here, a lot of the students are here present, and they are preparing for different sort of competition, and I think they are also having different type of dreams. So just only maintaining a dream is not a matter. Just you have to chase it. Just chase it. Chase it means follow it. And a day would come when you will get success. As a lot of the people, right now I got a phone call from one parents, and I think yes, she was mother of Monoji, and she was telling me, sir, I am poor. Friends, poor, you are not poor. We are not poor. People are not poor. Poor is our mentality. Only by mind the people are poor. Once you feel that no, I can do better, I can get a lot of things, I can work for the betterment of society, how can you say you are poor? Because who is rich? By birth, if you are rich, it is not achievement. If you have, it is said that if you have born in a poor family, then this is not your fault. But if you die in a poor family, this is absolutely your fault. So you have not to die in a poor family. You have to just get your life in proper way, and just give service, always give service to nation, and you have to make a lot of the personalities. And I just want to add some of the quotations of some great personalities like APJ Abdul Kalam also. Like what he has told, please defeat the defeatist tendency. You have to defeat the defeatist tendency. Never think that I am not going to win, because if you think I can win, then psychologically you have already a winner, and then your body start working, and then you become a very great winner. So always just maintain it, and just I don't want to make this speech very longer, because you have to study, we have to do a lot of the works, and but today it's a very red day, because today is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. So how can you forget, because he has inspired me, and he has given such a lesson that always I remember. Because as this is our body, it's our physical bodies, so it is our duty to make this physical body into a spiritual body. Because physical body has existence, but a spiritual body has more existence. A spiritual body never dies. Once you become a spiritual with your physical appearance, automatically you are going to be remembered. So just we have to follow the path of Swami Vivekananda, that he has given energy, he has just energized, he has given such an enthusiastic and quality that all the people always accept it. And a lot of the great personalities are present in India, outside India, in the world. Everybody follow his path. So lastly, once again I would like to tell you here that you all the students are requested, just you have to get your own position in proper direction, and for that just education is the master key. So please give your devotion, dedication and determination. So I'm just today making a quotation from my side. You might be listening and you would have listened about 3D, three-dimensional, but my 3D is devotion, dedication and determination. So if you maintain it, you will be a very successful personality. So once again, in last word, I just want to remember once again Swami Vivekananda, and I hope it is his 158th birthday anniversary. And in the same way, next year and not next year, every day we have to celebrate his birthday in the form of inspiration. We have to get inspiration, and we have to follow that path by which we can get success, and we can also imbibe and impart a lot of successes in our future. That's all. Thank you very much, and wish you all the best.